Apple Watch Nike Plus Edition. Let's get to it. Oh yes, I had to jump on the bandwagon and I got the Apple Watch Nike Plus. This is the 44mm space gray with the sport black loop band. I also got another band from Nike because I wanted the original. So I got this one. I'll do an opening. And then guys, if you look around, see, for $24 I got this clearance white band. Alright, so I haven't done an unboxing in quite a while. So let's open this bad boy up. So we got a little plastic tab here. We're going to just open it up like so. Oh yeah, I can't wait to smell this bad boy. It's been a while since I smelled something. Alright, we got this off. So of course it says the Apple Watch Nike. Let me move that to the side. Nothing on the side. And there it says the 44mm space gray with the black Nike Sport loop. Oh yeah, let's open this bad boy up. So it just opens up like that. And you guys probably seen this before. And there it is. Oh man, look at that. The two boxes and there's the other band. So let me move this to the side. And I'm a meat and potatoes type of guy. So let's open this up and take a look at it. Oh, and there it is in all its glory. Designed by athletes, for athletes by Apple and Nike. Power brick, charging, and then there it is. Alright, let me move something aside here for 1 second. Alright, so we've got a little pouch here that says 44 on it. And let's pull this out and take a look at it. And there it is. Wow. It's got some weight to it. Really nice. And do we see the Nike logo on here? There it is right there. Beautiful looking piece of equipment right there. So let's set that over here and we'll put this to the side for now. And so now I've got 3 bands here that I want to open, but let's take a look at the band that it came with. So how do we open this? Oh, here we go. And there is the black sport loop. Oh yeah, it's in this bag. So that's one of them. All right, let me open this other Nike Sport band. Let's take a look at this one. I can't just do one, I have to do more than one. Oh yeah, look at that. So it's got 2 different sizes here. I don't know exactly which size I'm going to be using, so I'll just pull everything out for now. Look at that. And there's the 3 sections. And now for the clearance for $24, which I cannot believe, at Target. So let's open this guy up. So I know you can get aftermarket ones, and heck, you can get an original. And here's the white one. Look at how nice that is. Oh yeah, I could sport this during the summertime. Look at that. Look how beautiful that looks. Is that a beautiful thing right there? Oh yeah, so let me put the straps on. Let me center this up a little. Move this out of the way for the thumbnail. And let me put these straps on and show you what they look like. Hang on one second. Alright, so we got the first band. Let's put it on here. Let's see here. Put it on the old hand here. See how comfortable this is. And so with the 44mm, you can see it's very nice, very comfortable. I got a little too tight here. It's got the reflective for running. And yeah, it's beautiful, you know. So I need to set this up. And, you know, there's YouTube videos all over the place on setting it up. But I just want to show you the different bands. So I'm going to take this off. And let's see here. So you got the little push buttons here. Push it in and slides right out like that. Alright, so let me try these bands. Hang on. Alright, so now I got this. Now I put on the shorter of the two, as you can see. Let's see if it fits. Let's see if the shorter one fits. Yeah, that's not going to. I just dropped it, but thank God it's got cushion. Yeah, the shorter one is not going to work, so I'm going to have to do the bigger one. Let's put on this bigger one. So I think I have like 7 1/4 inch wrists. Come on, get in there. There we go. Okay, so now I got the larger one. Oh, I accidentally turned it on. It's cool, no problems. So put that in, and we'll put that under like that, and there you go. Now with the space gray and the white, I think it looks pretty nice. You know, because it's got the black and the black, so it's pretty, very pretty. Alright, now that I know what size it fits, let's try the white band. Hang on. Alright, now there's the white. It's got that summer look to it. I like it. Take it off and you can see, yeah, but actually this is my favorite out of all of them. This one right here. It feels so comfortable. So anyway guys, let me set this up, and I'll have another video on what I think about it, because I really need this watch for heart monitoring. I don't know why this keeps flying around. Look at that. A little excited about this tonight. But anyway, thanks for watching. Hit the like, and we'll see you next time.